Good evening, professor and classmates. My name is Luis Angel Patiño. Today is December 2nd. This subject is called English 1. This is my weekend routine. I get up at 5 a.m. every day. Monday through Friday, I work in my office between 7 a.m. and 3 p.m. From 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. I go to the gym. My gym is near my work. My class schedule at the university varies depending on the subject I enroll in. I usually take 7 subjects. I study at night. My busiest day is Monday, since I have to finish the task I left unfinished from Friday at work. I go to bed at midnight every night. My weekends are usually filled with varied activities, depending on the occasion and the weather. I do different things with my boyfriend. These include going to the movies, going out to eat, or exploring a new place. On my day off, I clean my house, sleep, and watch TV series.